Now, for Business with me, Nanikia Mensa Brampa, gradually wrapping up for the business week. And tonight we're beginning with Ghana's eurobond, which we understand government has put on hold plans for its fifth entrance, which of course was scheduled for last week. But reasons have been given. We've had some economists reacting to this particular issue. An economist with the Institute of Fiscal Studies is suggesting that government abandons plans of a fifth eurobond this year. Reasons being that the country's inability to raise some $500 million from investors after a second roadshow in London and America was.
Although no reasons were assigned for Ghana's decision to pull out of the $500 million eurobond issue, investors had linked it to the higher yields fund managers had demanded. Ghana had planned to issue an amortizing bond with a weighted average of 5-year tenure in conjunction with a tender offer to buy back some dollar bonds that mature next year. But in a statement, the Finance Ministry said it will continue to monitor markets in the context of a potential new issue and thanked investors for their positive feedback. But at a time when investor appetite for emerging markets is high, why was Ghana unable to meet its target? Leslie Mensah is with the Institute of Fiscal Studies.
The reason is that we're not out of the economic woods yet. And so investors' sentiments about our credit worthiness generally has not improved. And so they were obviously going to ask for a higher yield to compensate, for the weak sentiments they have about Ghana's credit.
For now, Ghana does not appear to be in the good books of investors as it struggles with high levels of debt and slumping commodity prices. So how will government finance all of its maturing debt as well as fill in the gaps in the budget?
If we are unable to sell the debt but still maintain our spending plans for 2016, that will leave a financing gap of about 3 billion cedis in the budget, approximately $750 million. And so there are two alternatives. You either cut expenditure to accommodate, that shortfall, or you raise financing from elsewhere. And there's the alternative of borrowing from perhaps international banks or domestically.
Last year, government was forced to pay investors a 10.75% coupon on a new issue despite a partial World Bank guarantee.
All right, so definitely the question still remains, will the ministry pursue that fifth eurobond? Well, we wait to see again what the ministry says. Let's move on to the telecoms industry, where Tigo has launched its Usra Wundi promo to reward loyal customers with gifts of cash and accessories. Over 1.2 million cedis would be won during the promo period.
Usra Wundi, literally translated as "you can't win if you're afraid," is a promo which emboldens new and existing customers to scratch and win cash and cashless prizes. One can instantly win up to 5,000 cedis cash, airtime or exciting accessories and souvenirs after purchasing and loading of every 2 cedis or more call vouchers.
If there's something to win, you don't have to be afraid to take a chance to win, because everybody is a winner. Most importantly, when you buy it and you see the price there, don't get excited and just come and walk to the shop to come and claim. Top up. So once you top up, we know that you are the one who owns the card, and we will deliver the price to you accordingly.
Customers also stand a chance of winning the bingo prize by scratching and seeing the head of any one of the big 6 on the voucher. Subscribers are to collect all 6 heads of the big 6 and present it for the 100,000 cedis cash prize. The cards.
It's okay for you to work with some other person who's also gathered the ones you do not have to ensure that you go ahead and take the prize from us. So 2 people can come together, 3 people can come together, a family can come together, friends can come together to play to win the bingo pot of 100,000 Ghana cedis.
There is also a chance for Tigo Cash subscribers to win prizes after topping up their Tigo Cash vouchers. There is no draw in the Usra Wundi promo. The promo is open to all and promo cards are already available on the market.
Wusra Wundi promo right there from Tigo. I'm sure if you're scared, definitely you're not going to win. But let's move to the commodities markets now. And yesterday we saw oil prices hovering around $44. But today we've seen some few price falls. The oil prices fell as much as 1% on Friday, ending a two-day rally fueled by short covering and bargain also there for the international market. But this wasn't there alone. The dollar also surged on robust U.S. jobs, definitely jobs going high during July. They're giving some pressure there to the prices of the commodity. Let's quickly look at how oil is faring there on the international market. But as I look for that for you on the screens, remember that as the fall comes on the international markets, we benefit as a country as commercial production of crude from 10 will start with an initial production of about 23,000 barrels a day. So there you have it, the current price of oil at $43.82 a barrel there on the international market, seeing some price change in terms of percentage, 1.06 there on the markets. Now let's quickly wrap up with that of gold. Also on the currency market, and gold fell as much as 1.2% today as the dollar rose after US data showed employment still being or playing some parts there regarding the commodity there on the international market. Today we have gold price standing at $1,340.05 there on the world markets, definitely with a declined price change of 1.55%. So that is how the commodity market looks like. Definitely we stand to benefit if it falls, and also if it goes high, we lose there. But I think that it is favoring us as a country, and we will continue to update you more on the business front. That will do for tonight. My name is Nanekia Mensah.